Worried about your Google account being accessed on a shared device? Let's quickly secure your privacy by signing out of the Google Play Store. First, locate the Settings app on your Android phone. It usually looks like a gear or cogwheel icon. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. Scroll down until you find Accounts or Accounts and Backup. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your phone's manufacturer, but tap on the option related to Accounts. Now you'll see a list of all the accounts currently signed into your phone. Look for your Google account that you want to remove from the Play Store. Tap on it. You'll now see options related to your Google account. Look for Remove Account or a similar option. Tap on Remove Account. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to remove the account. This will remove the account from all Google services on your phone, including the Play Store. Tap Remove Account again to confirm. Your Google account has now been successfully removed. This enhances your privacy and security, especially when sharing devices or managing multiple accounts. You can always add your account back later when you need it.